What is up, y'all? It's Jerry from Team Unco Studios, and I'm just gonna make a really quick video on this. I've got this question asked to me a couple of times from a couple of different people on the YouTube channel. I know I also, help people that, message me and, they have questions sometime about MPC beats. So I figured I would just answer the question on YouTube, and for anybody else out there that wants to know this little hack, they now have access to it because it's on YouTube. So the hack is, how do you navigate through your plugin list without having to use your mouse? And it's a great question, and there is totally a hack to it, you guys, okay? So we are gonna go ahead and get into this. If you take a look at my screen here, you will notice I just have this basic template up, all right? So if I go ahead and go to my keys here, and I highlight my keys, you'll see I have my keys plugin here, right? Again, if you remember, this little tiny window guy right here brings up our plugin, right? So this is the electric keys plugin here, okay? If I go up to this top window here and I just bring down this menu of all the different kind of plugins that are within this, plugin here, the different sounds, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and just go to ballad, all right? If I go ahead and go to ballad, all right, let's go to basic. So if I go to basic and I go to my E-piano here, 1, and I just click on it, now my keyboard little arrows there now allow me to go down that list. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but the list is moving as I'm navigating the arrows, okay? Now, the advantage that this has is that I can actually now play different sounds to my track, right? And be able to kind of get a better idea of what I might want on that track or what I might want laid over it if I happen to use this. And it works with any one of these. So if I go to tube here and I go here, now my tube is there and I can use my arrows. And I can just navigate until I find what sound I want without having to sit here and open this window and go boop boop and then click and then go here and then keep redoing the process, right? And this works as far as I know with any plugin, right? So let's go ahead and say I want the synth here. So we'll go ahead and do the same thing. Open up my synth. Here's my electrical synth, right? And let's go ahead and go to pluck here. Start at the top of the list and you work your way through. And that's it, you guys. That's it. It's a simple hack, but this is really, really great, especially when you're in a workflow and you want to try to get that specific sound. It's a lot easier to just kind of touch and navigate, So I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to try to make a couple of other little shorts like this so they're not super long tutorials on different hacks and stuff as you guys keep asking me questions, all right? So for all you guys out there, peace and love, and we love you all, and until the next video, all right? Later.